Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're anything like me, you probably clicked on this video because you like cars. I like all kinds of cars. Fast cars, four-wheel drive cars, you know, you name it. If it's got wheels, it's got tires, motorcycles, I don't care. If it rolls and it's got an engine, I'm probably into it. But this video is something special. This video is about lowriders, especially the southwestern culture of lowriding here in New Mexico, hanging out in the Santa Fe Plaza. But yeah, I think most of us like cars. We enjoy cars, whether it be hot rods, four-wheel drives, slammed to the ground. You know, cars. Gotta love cars. So when I heard that they were doing a lowrider show and contest, basically car show contest, whatever you want to say, on the Plaza in Santa Fe, I was like, I got to get down there and take some photos, get some videos, definitely get this. You know, maybe you've never seen a lowrider before. Maybe you're not from the Southwest and you don't realize how big of a part of the culture is, the Latin culture here it is. These cars are amazing. They're rolling pieces of canvas. They're works of art, absolutely. And to give you a little history of the lowrider scene and kind of where it started. So after World War II, the guys coming back from that decided, I guess, that they wanted to do something different with their cars and show them off. So during the late 40s, early 50s, they started like cutting the coils and the springs on their cars and putting like big pieces of concrete or whatever to get them to slam down. And it's kind of turned into what it is today. But yeah, it's big, you know. And with these guys, it's not about speed. You know, you don't put all this work into your car to go out and go fast at it. You go out in it to go nice and slow and low, and you know, meet up with your friends. Sometimes in New Mexico, in certain cities and towns, heck, this is like a car show every weekend, Saturday and Sundays. They're out cruising their cars. Everybody's checking it out. And it's even grown into motorcycles. But yeah, they're definitely into getting out, showing their cars, showing their friends, low and slow, like they said, so you can show these cars off. They are absolute pieces of artwork. I don't know how else to explain it. These are beautiful, beautiful machines. The trucks are always one of my favorite. I love these old trucks that are just, like I said, to the nines, as they would say, just decked out from one end to the other. Such beautiful machines. But you know, they have everything from, you know, 40s and 50s Chevys. You know, I was at a show actually today down in Espanola. Speaking of Espanola, that is the, well, some people would say unofficial, but as far as Espanola is concerned, they are the lowrider capital of the world, and they love their cars. But yeah, these trucks are amazing. These Caprices, these Olds Cutlass, like, yeah, just the craftsmanship and the workmanship and the time and energy, and just, you can tell these everybody that is into this just loves their vehicles and loves showing them off, like I said. And being down in Santa Fe in such a historic spot with these amazing cars, what an amazing backdrop. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. They're just beautiful cars. If you're into cars, this might be something to check out. But yeah, the Southwest, it is an amazing thing to see. Like I said, I just can't even explain how cool these cars are and how much they mean to the people that own them, I'm sure, but it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna cut out of here, let you sit back and listen to some music and watch these beautiful cars go by without me yapping along. as you can see here in New Mexico. Even the pups like to ride in their little cool little lowrider. Awesome. And this thing was decked out to the nines too, paint job and everything. It was great. Real quick before my video ends, I'd like to ask you a question, and if you would just comment down in the comment section. All right, do you know anything about lowrider culture? Is it something you've seen before? And if you've never seen it before, let me know you've never seen it before. But if you have, what kind of do you dig it? Do you like it? What's your favorite car? And would you come to New Mexico and check it out? Yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did getting out and checking out these cool cars and enjoying this amazing culture. Yeah, as always, signing off in New Mexico. Hope to see you next time. Bye.